What's going on YouTube? It's Q back here again with another video for you. In today's video, since I recently became a Cadillac owner, we're going to drive around in the Escalade or Escalade IQ, if you want to be technical about it. So here we have the 2025 electrified Escalade. We're going to take a brief walk around it right now. In photos, I thought it was smaller than the traditional Escalade, but no. This Escalade is still large and in charge. Huge. It might be bigger than the traditional one. I'm 6 feet tall and I am shorter than this Escalade. I don't even know how that just opened up, but it knew. Got 3 rows in here. Nice camel colored seats. Close that, go take a peek in the rear. The door handle doesn't pull, it's a rubber strip behind it. We have captain's chairs back here. And man, this thing needs to be lowered for me to get up in here. And I am not short. Speakers in the headrest. Nice design. Very soft, supple leather. Control area in the middle. We do have back rows, which is kind of tight for an adult. But if you're smaller, go ahead, have at it. Screens on the back of the seat. And coming on to the front, where the magic happens. So let me go ahead, step on in here. Sit on down, press the brake, the door will close. This Escalade is on another level. So we stepped it up. We're in the big leagues. We've been in the big leagues, but got an updated screen in here. The IQ, the whole dash has a screen going all the way across. Even this one illuminates at some point. There we go. It's letting us know what it is. Escalade IQ. But let's take it for a spin. Very nice design language going on throughout the cabin. You can open and close the doors with the touch of a button on our screen here. If you want to open that door, my hands are wet, it's messing up the capacitive touch. Let me put it in park. We slide it, and then the door opens. That's slick. So let's close it, slide it towards us. Sweet stuff. Most of our controls are going to be here. Let me start off by turning on our massaging seats before we go for a spin. Go ahead, buckle up, and hit the road at Road of America in Wisconsin. Carl already knew to turn on the heated seats and heated steering wheel for me. Got a commanding presence. This is a very large, feels like a heavy-duty SUV. All right, about to start off in tour mode. See what that be like. Super smooth, super quiet. I can use my Barry White voice. Don't have to put in any effort to talk just because of how smooth and silent it is on the interior. That's in tour mode. Massaging seats feel amazing. This leather is extremely supple, soft. Definitely would like to take a long trip on here as far as the battery will allow you to go. This does have a large capacity on the battery. Not exactly sure the range, but it's got to be over 300, maybe touching 400 miles. Let's crank things up to sport mode, where we get a little bit aggressive, and I feel the Escalade getting lower. Sitting on down. Oh, we got a B mode button in here too. Might as well activate that as well. I spoke on the mileage. We're at 93%. It says 438 miles. Ooh. How them brakes? Oh, the steering got heavy on here. Get up to speed with the ease. So effortless. Let me see if I got the one pedal driving in here. Even in sport mode, it's pretty smooth. Definitely hides the speed well. Large speed numbers on the head-up display, so you can tell exactly how fast or slow you are going. give a shout out. So some TLC to my rear wiper. Curvy road coming ahead. Got a blind turn. How does the Escalade handle? About to find out. Slow before we get in the curve. Escalade is floaty like a boaty. Oh, still smooth, even in sport mode. Even though it does have roll, it's very controlled roll. Bust this right hand turn. Sound like we are in the Jetsons. Effortless takeoff. I need some defrost. Let me get that defrost, please. Front and rear defrost. It's gonna be raining all day long, unfortunately. But that is not gonna stop us. Take this quick turn. Ooh yeah. Exit out. Definitely like that. Let me dial it back to tour mode. Turn our V mode off. So we just want to be in opulence mode. This road is imperfect. Very imperfect. But the damping on here is extremely nice. You do hear a little bit of noise coming through, maybe due to the huge tires. Uncle Oliver, I think you should have looked at one of these, but I know you had the range anxiety, but this is a very nice Escalade, so I'm doing this one for you, man. Very nice to drive. All-wheel drive, all-weather capable. My uncle, he ended up getting a sport trim of the Escalade as well, so not a loss there. He wanted Escalade, he got his Escalade. These Escalades are super nice. Does Cadillac have that title of world class? I just came out of a Rolls Royce. This, although not a Rolls Royce, we have metal vents in here too. I don't know. It doesn't have that ping sound that the Rolls Royce makes, but the ride quality is nice and supple. You can't compare a Rolls Royce to a Cadillac. I do what I want to. Floor it. We got the speed, no slippage whatsoever. Well, shout out to Cadillac and this newly Escalade IQ, adding that to the market. It's not even new and improved, it's just all new. So about to end that with this as we turn back into Road America. I'll check you guys in the next video coming soon. Peace out.